Today we're going to be installing the Camco RV vent covers on our trailer. These are a bunch of the tools that I'll be using for the installation. Here's the vent cover itself. Basically, hard shell plastic covers and protects the vent. So first we line up the brackets. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. I'm just lining it up here to get them in the general spot that I want them to be. Then after that I take off the vent cover and I start off the holes in the metal frame there with a center punch. Then here I'm drilling the first hole. I think I used a 3/8 inch drill bit. Basically you want the drill bit to be slightly bigger than the screws that you're going to be using. Here I'm drilling in the second hole, and again use that center punch, it'll make your life a lot easier. So in terms of the pieces that hold it in place, you've got a bolt, you're going to have a flat washer, a locking washer, and then a nut. I'm just doing this to show you the pieces. But the way that you actually put it on is you put the bolt through the bracket and then through that metal frame before you put on the flat washer, the locking washer, and then the nut. So here you can see where I put the bolt through the bracket through that metal frame, and now I'm adding in the flat washer, the locking washer, and the nut finally on the other side. Then after that you're going to tighten everything up. First tighten it up by hand. Then get your ratchet and sockets ready to tighten it all up. I'm going to show you from the inside angle. So the bolt comes in from the outside. Then you put the flat washer on, followed by the locking washer. And then you add the nut. Then again, tighten it all up by hand first. Here I'm finishing off the last one. Put the ratchets on it and tighten it all up. So after you have all 4 tightened up and the brackets are ready to go, you're going to take the cover, you're going to put it on top, line it all up, and then go inside the trailer and open the vent. You want to make sure the cover opens and has the proper clearance. After you know the vent opens and closes properly, you're going to go back up there and you're going to start tightening everything down. So the way this part works, similar to the bolts on the frame, is the bolt comes up through the bracket, you add the flat washer, then the locking washer, and then the nut. So here I just tighten it all up by hand now that I know it's in the right spot. And then after that I grab my ratchet and I start tightening everything down again. And that's about all there is to it. Once you have the tools and the bolts and the nuts, washers, climb up on the roof, all in all it takes about 15 minutes to get this done. And just before I show you the final product, take a moment to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe so you're notified of our latest DIY and tool review videos. Once I've got everything tightened down, the end product is this vent cover, which covers those really flimsy, cheap plastic ones that you got with this hard shell plastic cover. It's great if you're driving down the highway, your vent cover's not going to fly away if it's left open. If it's raining, the rain's not going to get in there. I think this is a low cost and easy upgrade to protect your vent covers in RV and not interfere with the natural light.